Hi guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to do my morning skincare routine. So I'm going to show you all the products which I use in the morning for my skin. So my skin type is oily and combination skin. So I thought to share that with you first so that you know, because all these products are for oily and combination skin. If you have dry skin, then these products are not for you. So that is what I wanted to mention. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing which I use in the morning is face wash, and this is the face wash. This is by VLCC. It's an Ayurvedic face wash. This is a non-chemical face wash, and it is a deep pore cleansing and brightening haldi and tulsi face wash. So guys, this comes in different variants, and I got this from Nykaa, and it's best suited for oily and acne prone skin, and it is parabens free. It's 100% natural, so it's good for your skin. This has reduced my acne to a lot of extent, so I highly recommend this product. This is really nice. And guys, this retails for 100 rupees, which is like so budget friendly. Guys, at the time when I don't want to use this, then I use this, because in the morning you don't feel like scrubbing and everything. So whenever I feel like exfoliating my skin, I kind of use this. This is from Biotique. This is the Papaya Visible Ageless Scrub Wash. This has minute granules which which helps to exfoliate your skin. Plus this is a face wash. This is parabens free, and this is an Ayurvedic face wash again, so this will not harm your skin, and this is a very good face wash. So I kind of use it like this. I use it like 2 times in a week, and rest I use this face wash, and this retails for 150 rupees. After cleansing your skin, the most important part of your skincare regime is toning. So this is the Kama Ayurveda Mogra face mist. So I love this. This is 100% organic, and it's a very nice, it's like very light, because the people who have oily skin, they have open pores, so it's very important to tone. Toner is a must. You can't be without a toner if you have a oily skin. This comes in a lot of variants, but my favorite is the Mogra one because it smells really nice, and I like my products which have some scent in it, like some good scent in it. So I like the Mogra one. Guys, this retails for 250 rupees. And in case if I don't feel like using this, alternatively I use this Pixi Glow Mist. This I've recently purchased from Cult Beauty. It's not available in India, so you need to purchase it from an online store which is named Cult Beauty. I'll mention everything in the description box, guys, so don't worry. All the prices, where you can buy it from, everything would be mentioned down below. This is what I use if I don't use this. I was running out, so I got this, and it's really nice. I've heard people raving about it, so I wanted to try it, and really it gives you a very nice glow, and it acts like a toner as well. It retails for around 1200 rupees. And guys, I would highly request you guys to invest more on skincare, as if your skin is going to look healthy and good, eventually your makeup is also going to look flawless. Guys, it's very important to moisturize your skin. It's a myth that people say that you don't need to moisturize if you have a oily skin. I disagree with that. I think any skin type needs good moisturization, but yes, oily skin type doesn't need too heavy oil based moisturizer. Oily skin types need water based, gel based moisturizers. What I use in the morning is this Clinique Moisture Surge. It's very nice, it's gel based, it's very light on the skin, and it's super amazing, and it's a very nice product from Clinique. And I must say that it gives you that proper matte finish, and your skin is moisturized up to 24 hours. This product retails for 2100 rupees for a 50 ml product. You even get 25 ml as well for like 1250, and all these products I've got from Nykaa.com. I always have alternatives for everything, because I don't use just one thing every day because I get bored, so I like to play. So if I don't use that, then I use this, and sometimes I top up both the things. First I use the Moisture Surge, and then I use this. This is the White Seed serum from the Face Shop. It's a very nice, very light, the fragrance is very nice, and it's good for oily skin. And it says that it's a whitening serum, but they have not got it for the whitening thing. Use this serum, guys. You don't want to, put so much so that your skin becomes more oily. So yes, you always need to use those products which are gel based. This kind of retails for around 1600 rupees. And after your cleansing, toning, moisturizing, you can't forget your eye area is like really sensitive and it's super drying, so you always need to put something really hydrating to your eyes so that they never crease or you don't have fine lines and wrinkles too early. So this is what I use. This is the Clinique Prep Start. This is the new range they had recently launched, and it's really nice. It's very light and you can use a tiny bit and it works wonders. This does not remove dark circles. This is just for hydration purposes, guys. So I don't use it to remove my dark circles. I just use it for my hydration. And last but not the least, the morning skincare routine cannot end if you don't use a sunblock. Sunblock is very important. Everybody says that. I also say that. Sunblock is a very essential part. As you go out, your skin is exposed to the sun, and then because of that you can have premature aging, you can have freckles, and for not getting pigmentation, this is very important. I use the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer because this is very great for oily skin. Because I put it and just tap it on my face. You should never rub your sunscreen. You should always tap it like this. It has SPF 50 in it. Guys, if you want 10 times younger looking skin, then sunblock is a must. So that's all for my morning skincare routine, guys. I hope that you like it and my information would help you all. Love filming this video, and if you like it, so guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.